Let's learn how to change your PhpMyAdmin theme to dark mode. It's super simple. First, open phpmyadmin.net. Navigate to the Themes section and download the Dark Wolf theme. Next, you'll need to extract the downloaded Dark Wolf folder. Next, open the XAMPP installation folder. Navigate to the PhpMyAdmin folder and locate the Themes folder inside. Copy the Dark Wolf theme into this folder. Now let's open a web browser and navigate to PhpMyAdmin. You'll notice that the Dark Wolf theme is available. Select it and voila! Your PhpMyAdmin now has the Dark Wolf dark mode theme applied.